Cooking with gas, understanding English idioms. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, cook with gas. It's a colorful expression in English that doesn't involve the kitchen. So, grab your notepads and let's get started. I hope you're as excited as I am to dive into this. When someone says they're cooking with gas, they're not just talking about their stove. It's actually an idiom that means to do something effectively and with efficiency. It originates from the early 20th century when gas stoves were a big improvement over wood or coal. So, cooking with gas meant you were using the latest and best method. Let's put this phrase into context with some examples. After we got the new software, we were really cooking with gas on the project. Once you understand these math principles, you'll be cooking with gas. These examples show how the phrase is used to indicate progress and proficiency. This idiom is informal, so it's best used in casual conversation or in settings where a friendly tone is appropriate. It's not typically used in formal writing. You can use it to give someone encouragement or acknowledge that a task is being done quickly and well. And that's the scoop on cooking with gas. It's all about working efficiently and effectively. I hope this video helps you understand and use this idiom in your daily English practice. Keep cooking with gas in your language learning journey. And I'll see you in the next video.